Here goes. I needed to replace the latch switch on my washing machine, and so, well, I want to show you from this view. You know, it's pretty. But I did this, girls. I did this all by myself, and so I'm thinking this is not going to be, as difficult as we perceive, and so, I hope I'm right. But so far, so good. Wow, very simplistic. Okay, girls, and so here's what happened. As you can see, it is filled with water, right? And that pretty much detached. This simply falls back down, ladies, just so you can see. Ooh, that's the front top of the washer, right? And it was very easy. It was basically, what did I do to get this off? Two screws, which are here. 2 screws, 2 clips. And so right now, we need to take this out, as well as this, because we are replacing this whole switch right here. And I see this is what I couldn't bypass earlier, this clip here. So, see this clip? There's a little clip right there. So, what I'm going to do is gonna take all this stuff off. And this looks pretty simple, so let's put it here. And we're going to do this with our handy dandy multi-tool, because I just misplaced my little screwdriver, so this will be easy. There we go. Just go ahead and turn that. It's pretty simple. No need to pay someone $227 for this. So now I'm just going to go ahead and use my plier here. Such a tight spot for this screw. And there's the screw. Now, sweet. Just going to get our second screw here. Well, that one proves to be a tad bit more difficult, but not to worry. Not to worry. Okay. That. And well, maybe we'll worry a tad bit. This seems to be the ground wire. And, okay, we need our hammer. Sweet. And you just want to tap the screw a little bit. Just give it a good bang. And let's see what we have. There it is, ladies and gents who tell your wife to go ahead and call the repairman. You don't have to. So we have this little green wire here. right, which is the ground. We're going to put this screw back in here so we will know where our screws belong. Well, that one fell out. Now, we're going to use our plier again to grip this clip on the inside on. Sweet. And two clips. Alright. 1, 2. Okay, just a sec here. Voila. Alright. Alright, so here's what we needed to replace. Okay. And why don't we just go ahead and take this out, because we're going to need this to put back in the washer when we're done. But just go ahead and we'll remove the wire from that tubing. Okay, now we're going to place this tubing right back here where it belongs so that we will remember where it goes. And there it is right there. Alright, great. Whew. So, this is what this little monster looks like. And as you can see, it has certainly worn out its welcome. Excuse me. Okay, so we are going to replace this bugger. And what I'll do is, I just want to show you guys this again, because I did this all by myself. And it really didn't take much time. I used a multi-tool, you know, $3 somewhere. I had to get a big screwdriver because it was kind of hard to pop the clips out. I'll show you that when I put it back on. And then just a regular flathead for 4 simple screws. So we're going to get our part and we're going to fix this baby. Alright, stay tuned.